Hello and welcome to Let's Try channel. Let us study multimedia. It is very interesting topic as everyone now uses electronic gadgets. Let us consider multimedia part 1. In the first part of multimedia, let us consider introduction, definition, components of multimedia and consider text and graphic media. Watch this video till the end. Please don't forget to subscribe Let's Try channel. Introduction to the term multimedia. Communication is essential to share our thoughts and ideas, express our feelings, and ask what we want. Communication is necessary to share resources and information among people. For communication, humans use different channels such as talking, gestures, facial expressions, writing, drawing, and sculpting. In olden days, people used analog devices to communicate such as telephone, radio, telegram, fax, tape recorder, analog TV, video cassette player, etc. But today, due to the evolution in information technology, digital or electronic devices are being used for communication. Digital devices used for communication can be smartphones, computers, digital radio, digital TV, pager, tablets, etc. Internet is the biggest contributor to the modern communications. If more than one medium is used, communication becomes more effective. That is why, in modern times, the concept of multimedia has become popular. Multi means many or several, and media is a plural form of medium, which is a channel of communication. Media can be text, graphic, audio, and video. Human sensory organs such as eyes and ears perceive the information through these media. Let us define the term multimedia. Multimedia can be defined as an integration of associated text, graphic, audio, video, animation, etc. represented by a computer or other electronic means to express an idea. Multimedia is simply creating, editing, storing and sending or receiving of text, graphic, audio, video and animation content using computers and computer networks like internet. It is more easy to deal with multimedia using computers. Multimedia is supporting the convergence of following fields. Multimedia in computation, that is medical engineering, space research, geology, e-commerce, online banking, education, microbiology, nanotechnology, artificial intelligence, defense, etc. Multimedia in communication, that is video phones, mobile phones which display text and video along with speech. Use of internet for text, voice and video communication such as social media, email, forum, news group, video conferencing. Multimedia in entertainment, that is online or offline games, interactive cinema, web series, online videos like YouTube, live sports relay, reality shows, etc. Let us know the components of multimedia. There are 5 basic components or building blocks of multimedia as follows: text, graphic, audio, video, and animation. Let us consider all these 5 components of multimedia in detail. The first medium is text. Text is one of the basic components of multimedia. The content right now you are reading is text. Humans have been using text from centuries for communicating and expressing ideas effectively. Text is comparatively cheaper medium for communication considered to other media such as graphic, sound and video. The basic elements of text are alphabets, numbers and special characters. These basic elements are expressed on a specific language, that is English, Hindi, Kannada, Marathi, etc. Hence, text is understood only if a person is literate, knowing the language and its syntaxes, that is grammar. Manually, we generate text by handwriting using pen, pencil, chalk, etc. on a piece of paper, wall or cloth. In digital or electronic form, we can generate text component using computers and smartphones which are installed with word processing software. There are various word or text processing software available. They allow the user to create, edit, format, and save the text data as documents. They also allow us to export or import the content and use various other tools so as to make the document worth for the specific purpose. Some of the common word processors are Notepad, WordPad, Microsoft Word, PageMaker, OpenOffice, Acrobat PDF Writer, Adobe InCopy, Corel WordPerfect, Angular, Ishitaro, Star Office Writer, etc. This page shows some examples of digital text formats and their file extensions. Let us consider the second component of multimedia, that is graphic. Graphic is a picture described in size, shape and color. Graphic is simply a drawing, sketch, painting, photo or picture having two dimensions, that is height and width. Graphic can be black and white, gray or colored, that is RGB or CMYK color scheme. We know the popular saying, "A picture is worth 1,000 words," which suggests that complex ideas can be conveyed easily using suitable graphic illustrations. Graphic is such a convenient medium where even a person who is illiterate or doesn't know the particular language can understand the matter just by seeing the picture. Observation of ancient caves containing pictures on their walls suggests that perhaps the graphics medium originated before the text medium. As graphic is easy to understand, now all the operating systems like Windows, Linux are using graphical user interface, that is GUI, for user-friendly interaction between user and computer. These are some examples illustrating graphics medium. There are two types of graphics, that is analog and digital. Analog graphics. A picture or drawing created manually by hand is known as analog graphics. Traditionally, we draw and paint using pen, pencil, brush, etc. on paper, cloth, canvases or walls by hand. Old printing presses used embossed blocks to print images on paper. Analog optical still cameras were used to click photos on photographic film, that is reel, and later the film was developed in dark room. These are examples of analog graphics. Digital graphics. Pictures, painting and photos generated using computers are known as digital graphics. Digital format allows us to generate, manipulate and display graphics using computers installed with suitable graphics software. There are two kinds of software related to graphics. One is graphic generating software, which allows us to create a new drawing or painting. These also allow us to edit the photos. And the other one, graphic editing software, which allows us to modify a picture or photo and create slideshows or albums. Both types of applications or apps provide useful tools like brush, pencil, bucket, eraser, marquee, cut, copy, paste, clone, filter, crop, etc. tools. Digital cameras, mobile phones, scanners, etc. are used to capture digital images and sent to computers for editing. Digital images can be easily saved in pen drives or SD cards. This page shows some examples of digital graphics devices and content. Popular digital graphics software, that is applications, are Microsoft Paint, Adobe Photoshop, Corel Draw, Paint Shop, Adobe Illustrator, Blender, Sumo Paint, ACDC, Adobe Freehand, Microsoft PowerPoint, etc. This page shows some digital graphic file formats and their file extensions. Note that the file format will depend on the type of graphic application we use. For example, if we create a drawing in Windows Paint, the drawing will be saved automatically as .bmp. Go through the file formats and file extensions of graphic medium. In next video, we will consider audio, video and animation components of multimedia. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Let's Try channel, like and share my videos. Thank you.